If you want to give a Windows File Explorer a fresh modern look, then check my video description for this site link. Scroll down. Under releases, select the latest. Scroll down. Under assets, select the release x64.zip. Once download done, open and double click on this register. Select run option. Select yes. Click on OK. Wait for 5 seconds. Once this done, just close tab here and open up File Explorer. It looks amazing. If you want to get back to the normal, then you need to go to the release and double click on uninstall and check run option. Check yes and OK. Wait for 5 seconds. Once this done, just close tab here and you will have the default Windows 11 File Explorer. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.